Talkpal AI is one of the more popular AI language tutors in the market right now, with a 4.8 star rating on the App Store. But after putting it through some serious testing, including in my native language, I found some flaws that most users probably never notice. As a qualified English teacher with over 15 years in language tech, I think it's important to set a record straight. Let's start with the good. TalkPal has a clean, polished interface. It's visually appealing, even throwing in some AI generated eye candy avatars. There are a variety of activity types, from role plays to describe a picture to an audio only call mode, that help keep things fresh. If you're just looking for casual conversation practice, TalkPal might be a decent option. The pros are modern UI, variety of speaking activities, and low pressure conversation focus, as mentioned. But here's the issue. When I tested the app using texts written by real English learners, the grammar feedback was inconsistent. It sometimes missed clear errors like forgetting to add it before maybe, or worse, corrected things that were already right. Now imagine you're a beginner trusting this app to guide you. That kind of feedback could seriously set you back. Its cons are, as mentioned, misleading grammar corrections, inconsistent advice, and not reliable for intermediate or advanced learners. Other users have noticed this too. One Reddit user said TalkPal made constant mistakes in Spanish, while LanguaTalk gave detailed, natural sounding corrections, including tone and formality tips, and even had a sense of humor. For those looking for deeper learning, LanguaTalk might offer more substance, though it comes at a higher price. TalkPal versus LinguaTalk, it's casual, the TalkPal, but shallow, while LanguaTalk in depth, more accurate, but pricier. TalkPal looks great on the surface, and for beginners just trying to stay consistent with daily practice, it might be enough. But if you care about accurate grammar and nuanced language feedback, I'd be cautious. A shiny up doesn't always mean solid teaching. Now, if you find this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.